Hi, my name is Josephine Elder, and I'm a Capstone candidate at Lisgar Collegiate Institute. Now, if you don't know what the Capstone program is, it's a program that allows students to conduct a year-long research project on a topic of their choice alongside a mentor. Now, I decided to study how different water nutrient qualities affect the growth of aquatic macrophytes in the Rideau Canal with my mentor, Dr. Francis Pick from the University of Ottawa. During the summer months, the Rideau Canal is used as a boating passageway as well as for other recreational activities, and having an excess amount of plant growth can actually be disruptive. Now, previously, the amount of plant growth was controlled with the use of herbicides. However, as the amount of plant growth kept on increasing, the use of herbicides was no longer a viable option. Parks Canada, who manages the Rideau Canal, then switched over to using mechanical harvesting. Now, mechanical harvesting can be quite involved and can be momentarily disruptive to the ecosystem living within the water and can also harm non-targeted species. For example, some studies have found that up to 15 to 30% of fish species can actually be removed alongside cut vegetation in a single harvest. Not to mention the fact that mechanical harvesting also happens to be one of the most expensive ways of keeping control of plant growth. Now, over the years, the amount of plant growth that has been removed from the Rideau Canal has actually been increasing. By studying if there are any water nutrient qualities that have contributed to this increase, we may be able to find ways to limit plant growth, especially those of invasive species, in a way that is more cost-effective and less harmful to the environment. Now, this leads me to my research question, which is what water nutrient qualities have contributed to the increase of plant biomass removal from the Rideau Canal? And to study this, I'm going to be looking at data collected on the amount of macrophytes pulled from the Rideau Canal, as well as data on water quality, looking specifically at things like nitrogen, phosphorus, dissolved oxygen, and ammonium nitrate, as well as water temperature and turbidity. Now, I'm going to do a statistical regression analysis with each of the independent variables to determine if there's a relationship with a dependent variable. I'm also going to do a canonical correspondence analysis, which will further help with the analysis of results, as it's going to produce models that are more suited towards environmental indicators since they tend not to have linear relationships. I'm hopeful that my research will help provide insight on alternative ways that we can control macrophyte growth and help better our environment one step at a time.